The Nigerian Stock Exchange yesterday gained 294 billion naira in reaction to the decision of the Central Bank of Nigeria to allow market forces determine the naira exchange rate in a new single structured foreign exchange market. CBN Governor Godwin Emefiele on Wednesday announced the introduction of a new foreign exchange policy termed the automatic adjustment mechanism of the exchange rate, in a flexible foreign exchange regime aimed at boosting supply of foreign exchange and reducing the pressure on the naira.
The market shall operate as a single market structure through the interbank and autonomous window. 2. The exchange rate will be purely market driven using the Thomson Reuters and FMDQ order matching system as well as the conventional dealing book. 3. The CBN will participate in the market through periodic interventions to either buy or sell foreign exchange as the need arises. 4. To improve the dynamics of the market, we will introduce FX primary dealers who would be registered by the CBN to deal directly with the bank for large trade sizes on a two-way quote basis. 5. These primary dealers shall operate with other dealers in the interbank market, amongst other obligations that will be stipulated in the Foreign Exchange Primary Dealers Guidelines, which would also be released immediately after this press briefing. 6. There shall be no predetermined spreads on foreign exchange spot transactions executed through the CBN intervention with primary dealers, while all FX spot purchases by authorized dealers are transferable in the interbank foreign exchange market. The CBN shall introduce non-deliverable over-the-counter naira settled futures with daily rates on the CBN approved FMDQ trading and reporting system. This is an entirely new product in the Nigerian foreign exchange market, which would help moderate volatility in the exchange rate by moving non-urgent FX demand from the spot to the futures market. 12. The OTC FX futures shall be in non-standardized amounts and different fixed tenors, which may be sold on any dates, thereby ensuring bespoke maturity dates.
CBN had been under pressure to devalue the naira for over a year now, which had been resisted by monetary and fiscal authorities, claiming that past devaluations did not benefit the economy, being import dependent. Instead, the Apex Bank had adopted a controlled market with predetermined supply and exchange rate. Announcing the major policy shift, Emefiele said the CBN had always maintained that it would continue to monitor situations on ground and ensure that the bank's policies reflect these facts and developments rather than the sentiment of any groups or sector. The new regime would operate a single market structure through the interbank autonomous windows. And with business news, we'll go on a short break. Foreign stories when we return. Do stay with us.
The Holy Spirit welcomes you to the most unifying Christian experience since Pentecost, the Jesus Dream. Connect with Christians around the world as we unite to worship God together at the Jesus Dream Hour. The Jesus Dream event is a worldwide worship hour uniting Christians of all denominations and all nationalities in every location around the world to declare the wonders of God for 1 hour at the same hour. As we connect, we become a dwelling for God's Spirit. Date 30th June every year. Venue anywhere you are. Churches, homes, offices, schools, prisons, hotels and hospitals. Time 9 p.m. Jerusalem, 8 p.m. Nigeria, 3 p.m. New York, 10 p.m. Moscow. Every country is to synchronize their time. Be part of the Great Assembly, declaring the wonders of God, just like the disciples on the day of Pentecost. For details, visit www.thejesusdream.org or call +234 8033 490026, +234 803 111 7861, or +234 700 111 1000.